Chào cả nhà, hello guys. I am Nina Tranley. Welcome to So Sim Yum Kitchen. This is where I prepare food that touches my family soul. It's simple to make and yummy to eat. Today I'm going to share with you how to make delicious Vietnamese vegetarian egg rolls. There are two challenges in making vegetarian egg rolls. Since there is no meat, the vegetarian filling is very loose, making it very difficult to roll. Because the filling is mostly vegetable, the chance for it to become wet is very high, making it another challenge to roll. After many years of facing this challenge when making vegetarian egg rolls, I was so excited when I figured out the combination of ingredients and process that will allow me to overcome these two challenges. Please join me in the kitchen as I unfold the secrets of how to easily make Vietnamese vegetarian egg rolls. Shall we get started? For vegetable, we will need 3-4 ounces of dried shiitake mushroom, about 8 pieces, ½ ounce of dried wood ear mushroom, 6 ounces of cabbage, 4 ounces of carrot, 6 ounces of this big taro root. I really like taro root, but I will not add too much of it into the filling because I'm making vegetarian egg roll, not vegetarian taro rolls. Adding too much of this big taro root will overpower in taste and texture of any egg rolls. And finally, we will need 4 ounces of small taro root. This small taro root is the secret ingredient for one of the two challenges. For carbohydrates, we will need 1 small bag of bean thread noodles and egg roll shells or pastries. For protein, we will need 8 ounces of foam tofu, 4 ounces of vegan ham, and 4 ounces of vegan burger or sausage. I bought these Morningstar sausage patties at Walmart and I often use the original flavors. To make our vegetarian egg roll smell amazing and to prevent vegetables from releasing their juice, we will need fried crispy leeks oil. For seasonings, we will need sugar, salt, shiitake mushroom seasoning. I use this brand and it is about $10 to $15 a bag. Please be careful when buying mushroom seasoning as there are many imitations. We will need ground white pepper, ground black pepper, and garlic powder. I like to use this one as it also has parsley, but you can also use just garlic powder only. I would like to share a few brands of egg roll pastry for making Vietnamese egg rolls. Please keep in mind that these are not wonton wrappers, because these shells will stay crispy even after 24 hours out of the fryer. This is Menlo brand. If this is your first time making Vietnamese egg rolls, then the Menlo brand is for you, because it is the most user-friendly of all brands. As for me, I like these 3 brands. This Little Chef brand, this Spring Home brand, and this one. I like them because they give me the best looking Vietnamese egg rolls and they stay crispy all day long. We can make from 40 to 50 regular size egg rolls with this recipe. These egg roll shells or pastries need about 20 minutes to thaw. Please store them in the bag unopened at room temperature. During this time, we will prepare other tasks. The vegan ham and sausage have been thawed in the fridge since last night. Microwave this small taro root using a microwave steamer for about 6 to 8 minutes until the center is soft. These dried shiitake mushrooms have been soaked in warm water overnight. They also have been washed and squeezed out excess water. Now we just need to remove the stems and allow them to air dry for a bit. We need to soak this wood ear mushroom in warm water for about 5 minutes. After that, wash them clean and drain them in the colander. Allow them to air dry for a bit. Soak bean-dressed noodles using room temperature water for about 3 minutes. Drain them in colander and allow them to air dry a bit. When buying cabbage, buy the smallest cabbage enough for the recipe. Remove a few of the outer leaves. Please do not cut it open during washing to prevent the water from entering the cabbage. As for the big taro root and carrot, just remove their skin and give them a quick rinse. Allow all these vegetables to air dry a bit. Cut foam tofu into smaller pieces and pat dry them with paper towels. Preheat a 14-inch pan over medium heat. Add just enough oil to cover the flat surface of the pan for pan frying. Pan fry tofu, vegan ham, and vegan sausage until they are light golden. This process should only take less than 5 minutes. Many of us have to deal with the wet egg roll filling due to the extracted water from the vegetable. Some of us think of buying a tool to squeeze out all the juice from the vegetable, making them lose most of the nutrients. My method to prevent vegetables from releasing juice is to not add seasonings to the vegetables, especially salt and sugar, because salt and sugar will extract juice or liquid from these vegetables very effectively. Moreover, we will add oil to encapsulate all these vegetables, preventing them from releasing any juice. We can see that the filling at this point is very loose, making the rolling task very difficult. My secret to turn this loose mixture into a pasty texture similar to the meat version is by using the cooked small taro root. Use our hand to mash it up and fold it into the mixture. Soon, we will have a filling that feels like a meat filling. You have no idea how excited I was after coming up with this secret, making rolling vegetarian egg rolls oh so easy. When my older sister and I were in high school, we used to roll thousands of egg rolls every weekend for my mom's egg roll business. Our main responsibility was to create uniform egg rolls as if one person did all the rollings. That was a very difficult task for my sister and I, so we came up with the guidelines trick. Back in the early 80s, we put 2 masking tapes on a plate with the same width for our guidelines. Now we can use a permanent pan to draw 4 lines on any cutting boards or any hard plastic mats to mark the size for the egg rolls. Here I make 2 different sizes. The 3.5 inches length is for regular size egg rolls, which normally used in dry noodles bowl. The 2.5 inch length is for snack size for finger food types of egg rolls. So with this method, we will always have even egg roll length no matter how many different people roll the egg rolls. Fold this down about 3 to 4 inches. We do this to prevent the two ends of the egg rolls from getting burned during frying. Check this out. When we fold the sides in, we will have 2 layers of protection of both ends of each egg rolls. Let's taste our labor of love. When we were kids, our parents always served us fried egg rolls with a small dish of ketchup. I'm doing the same thing for our kids, and they really enjoy eating egg rolls with ketchup too. Okay, let's have a bite or two.
So crunchy. And the aroma is so wonderful.
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe to my channel. Ring the notification bell, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching, and happy cooking for your loved ones. See you guys next time. Chào cả nhà nha.